You love woodworking. Now, making beautiful, functional items from wood just got easier with Woodcrafter. Woodcrafter is an app that helps you be more productive and build better projects, helping you with research, calculations, and practical details so you can spend more time on the parts of woodworking you love. Stacked with features, Woodcrafter helps you from start to finish on each project. Begin by making the best stock selection using our growing species library, providing detailed descriptions, photos, and characteristics of the most commonly used woods. Skip the frustration of calculations with our suite of woodworking calculators made specifically for the challenges you face in your shop every day, simplifying the math and increasing your accuracy. How's everything coming together? Our illustrated joint library will help you select the best joinery for your project, and the number of entries keeps growing. Other guides, such as our drill press speed chart, wood screw guide, and more, put handy bits of data right in your pocket. You'll never need to go searching for these references again. Let Woodcrafter help you complete your projects easier and faster. It's there for every step, and it's updated frequently with new content and features. Download the app today on both Android and iOS devices.